Welcome to this breathtaking southern estate, a timeless blend of classic elegance and modern comfort. Designed by Mallory Mathison, this Brooks County, Georgia, renovation honors the home's historic charm while enhancing its livability with thoughtful architectural details and contemporary touches. As you can see, the design of this house preserves southern charm while adding modern elements for comfort and functionality, blending tradition with contemporary elegance in a rural Georgian setting. This grand entryway exudes southern sophistication, featuring a gold-framed mirror, vintage chest of drawers, and blue and white porcelain. Every detail is thoughtfully curated to reflect history and style, setting the tone for the home. This soft blue-hued hallway showcases architectural brilliance, with intricate moldings and arched ceilings adding depth and character. It seamlessly connects the home while creating a warm, welcoming feel. This inviting lounge is a perfect retreat, combining rich textures, soft furnishings, and rustic decor like framed antler sketches. The cozy yet sophisticated ambience makes it ideal for reading or quiet evenings. Now, let's take a look at the home's sophisticated wet bar. In rich blue with gold fixtures, adds refinement while seamlessly blending beauty and function for entertaining or evening cocktails. Even the powder room in this home is a work of art. The floral wallpaper, paired with a marble vanity and intricate gold detailing, transports you to an era of timeless elegance. Every guest who steps in will be captivated by its refined beauty. This formal living area dazzles with natural light from large windows, a soft beige and blue palette, elegant drapery, plush seating, and exquisite decor, ideal for relaxation and entertaining. And next, the dining room, the heart of the home, features a stunning table with upholstered floral chairs and twin chandeliers for a luxurious ambience. Its open-concept design connects seamlessly to the kitchen, perfect for gatherings and celebrations. This bright, airy kitchen features white cabinetry, a marble backsplash, and brass light fixtures. The dark-wood island serves as both a work area and gathering spot. Classic details blend with modern convenience, and large windows flood the space with light, creating a cozy, inviting atmosphere. This serene bedroom features blue and white toile wallpaper, a white caned bed, and cozy accents like patterned rugs and lamps. The bedside area is enhanced with a porcelain vase and a pleated lamp. A chic reading nook with a wicker table and Buddha statue completes the tranquil, stylish space. This serene room features soft blue tones, floral patterns, and elegant furniture, creating a peaceful, inviting atmosphere. It blends traditional and modern elements for a timeless feel. It also offers antique furnishings, creating a sophisticated ambience. A refined corner with pale blue wallpaper, a gold-framed mirror, and a classic dresser exudes timeless luxury. A sophisticated room blending neutral tones, African-inspired masks, and floral accents for a serene, luxurious retreat. A blend of contemporary and cultural influences, featuring a dark wood dresser, zebra-patterned mirror, and hand-woven baskets for a welcoming, globally inspired atmosphere. Tropical green and white wallpaper, a bamboo bed frame, and a velvet armchair create a cozy, nature-inspired space with a perfect balance of comfort and elegance. This serene bathroom blends classic style with modern comfort, featuring a freestanding bathtub, natural light, a green ceramic stool, and a plush armchair. The space also includes a double vanity with marble countertops, crystal sconces, and a chandelier, offering a luxurious, inviting atmosphere. This kitchen blends blue cabinetry, black countertops, and a spacious island, with natural light highlighting gold accents. The wet bar offers elegance with brass hardware and open shelving. Modern appliances and vibrant accents like a yellow Dutch oven complete the functional space. A hunting room with dark wood cabinetry, ram heads, a leather-topped island, and rustic details, creating a functional yet stylish space. Now you see a bright sunroom with wicker furniture, pastel cushions, and rustic brick walls, offering a cozy retreat with scenic views and vibrant sunflowers. The last is a cozy porch with wicker chairs, pastel cushions, and potted plants, offering a serene retreat with a timeless brick wall and French-style doors for indoor-outdoor living.